Same one. Let's open the box and let me show you the box contents. This is the retail box you will get. This is a phone clamp mount. And screen cleaning cloth. Let's check this box out. Wow, it's OnePlus earphones which is not be available with retail package, you have to buy separately. It's a Type-C earphone. These are official covers which are not available with the retail package, you have to buy separately. Now let's open the official retail package. Wow, it's a very attractive and well-designed phone, well done OnePlus. Here is the fingerprint lock. And at the top a very small notch. Let's power on the phone. It's very compact and handy. Here you will get the silicone back cover for your phone. And few stickers, SIM injection pin and quick start guide. It's the same USB Type-C cable with dash charger. There are no headphones in the box, although there is at least a little Type-C to 3.5mm adapter included. Let's go for the first impression of the phone. It's a very dynamic display with 6.41-inch Full HD. It's an aluminum frame. And obviously, it's a glass in the back. It's a mirror black edition phone. You will find the dual camera with LED flash and OnePlus branding. Stereo speaker and Type-C USB port in the bottom. In the right you will get power button. And silent mode sliding button. In the left you will get the volume controller and SIM tray. Overall I like the phone personally. There is no internal change actually except the on-screen fingerprint and the battery. Let's check the new fingerprint demo. It's really fast. Let's compare with my Vivo phone. The camera has seen a few software improvements over the same hardware setup in the OnePlus 6. All of these improvements, like night mode, will spread to other OnePlus devices as well. Oxygen OS has a stock look, but offers more features, and is blazing fast. Some Android Pie features have already started popping up in Oxygen OS and first on the OnePlus 6T. Price is still to be revealed. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video then please like, subscribe and hit the bell button.